How to change the cabin air filter in a Toyota. Many recent Toyota cars have an air filter for the air that comes into the cabin. It reduces dust and debris entering through the ventilation. It should be changed about every 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers, or according to the manual. This is a simple part to replace yourself, so there is no need to hire somebody. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations on car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to change the cabin air filter in a Toyota. Here are the steps you can follow to change the cabin air filter in a Toyota vehicle. 1. Obtain the replacement filter. You can buy one at your nearest dealership, or you can shop around at an auto parts store or online. 2. Open the glove compartment all the way and remove the screw on the lower right side. Pull the loop from the arm over and off the cylinder where the screw was. Don't lose the screw. On a Highlander, you may be able to remove the loop without removing the screw, which is below and behind the glove compartment. Leave the glove compartment closed while removing the loop, then open it. 3. Squeeze the sides of the glove compartment together and pull to move the tabs past the edges to the front of the dash. Then lift the entire glove compartment off its hinges. Note that when it is too hard to push, instead of pushing both sides, you might want to try to push against the back of the glove box while pulling on the front. This works when squeezing the sides does not. 4. Remove the plastic cover by squeezing the tabs together. There are tabs on both sides, but the photo just shows one. 5. Slide out the old filter by pulling it towards you. Keep it facing up so that you don't spill the debris. 6. Insert the new filter. The arrow that says UP should be pointing up, facing you, as shown in the photo. 7. Snap the cover back into place. 8. Place the glove compartment container back on its hinges and push it in so the tabs snap back behind the dash. You may have to squeeze the sides again, as you did when you took the glove compartment out. 9. Replace the loop and the screw on the lower right. Here are some helpful tips. It is a good idea to leave the car ventilation in recirculate mode whenever you park, since it seems that mice like to find their way into your car and make a nest on top of the filter. Recirculate mode closes the outside air entrance to the filter. Besides waiting for a particular mileage, consider waiting until trees near where you park are done dropping pollen, leaves, or needles for the season. In the 2009 Camry, there is no sidearm screw, just squeeze the tips on the post to release. Warnings. Don't squeeze so hard on any of the plastic tabs that they break. They're reasonably sturdy, and you shouldn't need to overdo it. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY automotive tips and tricks. Leave your comments below and let us know if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe.